This craze in beauty products. A skin cream, they say, can make you look younger in a matter of weeks. The miracle ingredient, a poisonous plant extract. Tonight, Julie Watts asks, where's the proof that it works or that it's even safe?
Are you guys ready to get going?
It's a training session for multi-level marketers excited about a hot new anti-aging product.
Age-defying treatment.
Nerium's been featured on The View and in beauty magazines. Christy Parcels signed on to sell it.
They said I could probably make enough to quit my day job.
But what really sold her? The before and after photos.
It was just amazing.
But after a month, instead of younger-looking skin, both she and her daughter developed a rash.
And I was thinking, gosh, I'm using this stuff on my face. Oleander plant is toxic.
That's right. She said oleander, Nerium's magic ingredient. You know, the plant that lines the freeways? They're poisonous to both animals and humans, which begs the question, how safe is Nerium?
Every once in a while, somebody does get a rash.
Jeff Olson, CEO of Nerium International, says the cream is safe and points to 10 years of research started when Nerium oleander was tested as a cancer drug. But the FDA hasn't approved the drug and cited potentially serious adverse effects from the poisonous plant. As for the skin cream, the only evidence we were provided was a summary of a clinical trial conducted by Dr. Larry Fan, a San Francisco plastic surgeon.
It depends on what you're studying.
He says his trial showed no adverse effects or signs of oleander in the blood, but he only tested 34 healthy patients.
We don't know the safety when it comes to the general population of what it's provided.
Absolutely not based on this study.
Nerium says these 5 experts found it to be perfectly safe.
Actually, one of them said a baby 1 year old could consume 400 bottles and wouldn't be toxic.
Show me the evidence. Show me the published papers.
Dr. Vic Narkar, the head of dermatology at California Pacific Medical Center, reviewed Nerium's so-called real science on its website. And while our sister station in Los Angeles reported that some doctors believe the oleander is unlikely to penetrate the skin,
It's not just toxicity in the bloodstream. Does it cause an allergic reaction? Does it get absorbed by mucous membranes? These are all unanswered questions.
Is this real science?
This is not real science.
as for the so-called real results,
So apparently this product also gave a brow lift and improved the frown lines. There's only a couple of things that do that. One is Botox and the other one is a surgical brow lift.
That's ridiculous.
Olson insists these before and afters are due to Nerium alone.
These are people that take pictures. You can see they're within 2 weeks of each other. There's no way there could have been work done.
But even the doctor who conducted Nerium's own clinical trial is skeptical.
My suspicion is that it's certainly possible that they could have had additional treatments.
Olson says the proof is in the sales, over 3 million bottles.
A lot of your strong supporters have a vested interest in this company.
That's one of the good things about word of mouth business, our relationship marketing. People give their own testimonial to the product.
As for Christy Parcels, she's back to her regular night cream. Though her rash went away, she's out the $600 Nerium investment.
Now, Olson initially offered to provide kpix with further scientific evidence, but the company later canceled our scheduled interview with one of its scientific advisors and said it would only allow our expert to look at its data and only if he signed a non-disclosure agreement. Julie Watts, kpix 5.
Good.